Here the problem is you should calculate weight of carbon dioxide formed during a chemical reaction. The problem is in the first condition 3 grams of carbon reacting with 8 grams of oxygen, they will form 11 grams of carbon dioxide. Then in the second condition, the same amount of 3 grams of carbon reacting with 50 grams of oxygen, then how much mass of carbon dioxide will be formed? Then after, your answer going to be justify which law of chemical combinations. You have to tell that one also. Now going to the calculation part. See, carbon reacting with oxygen gas, then they will form carbon dioxide. In the first condition, 3 grams of carbon reacting with 8 grams of oxygen, they will form 11 grams of carbon dioxide. Here from reactant side it is 11 grams and the product side also 11 grams. So here that means by seeing this answer you can directly tell this condition is represents about law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass is nothing but how much mass is going to be reacting in that chemical reaction. During that chemical reaction, that much mass will going to be generated. That is nothing but law of conservation of mass. This is the first condition. Then coming to the second condition, 3 grams of carbon reacting with 50 grams of oxygen, then how much mass will be generated? See, here 3 grams, here also 3 grams. So that the 3 grams in the previous condition reacting with 8 grams. That means here also the 3 grams of carbon reacting with 8 grams of oxygen. So here 42 grams of oxygen will be the leftover one. It will not going to be reacting with this 3 grams of carbon. So here also 11 grams of carbon dioxide will be formed. See, by seeing this reaction, you can conclude the second condition obeys about law of constant proportion in a chemical reaction for the formation of a compound. First condition, law of conservation of mass. Second condition, law of constant proportions. This is about this problem. I hope you all understand about this one. If you have any doubts, please mention your doubts in comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next class. Bye. I love you.